right, guys, so I'm pretty freaking excited today. Today we have got some farm fresh eggs. Oops, I gotta go get my new cutting board that I've showed you all. These are actually gonna be for sale on my, on a website very soon. This is a custom made cutting board, and we're gonna have the Cooking Kentucky logo. It's gonna be printed right on these. I'm really excited about this. Arpin, my nephew-in-law, made this for me for my birthday, and I'm very touched by it. Those are some farm fresh eggs. I am not even mad about it. This is some leftover pork loin that I made yesterday. So we're gonna put this through the true test today. I'm gonna get out my trusty awesome knife. For those that like knives, I do too. And we're just gonna cut some thinly sliced pork we did yesterday. Now this is just a loin that I did with some fresh herbs, some salt, pepper, garlic, some paprika. Just kind of my normal spice blend that I like to use on a lot of things. But we're very excited, at least I'm very excited about this awesomeness. That is me. Look at it. We're just gonna cut the rest of this pork up. Luckily, I was able to give one of my beautiful wives some pork yesterday. I got to tell you, it's even good cold. All right, that's all sliced up, and look at that. Look at that, perfect cut marks on the board. There's no cutting marks on that board. That's good. Hey, boom. All right, let's get this. Gotta get this awesome cast iron. It's my smallest cast iron, but we're gonna use it tonight. Put a little bit of heat on that bad boy. I am just going to do some simple eggs with some pork warmed up. I need some of nature's own bacon juice. Now I know we've talked about this numerous times, and some folks like to call it bacon grease. I don't think bacon has ever been any disrespectful to us. Therefore, we don't need to be disrespectful to it. Grease just sounds derogatory, and there's no sense in disrespecting the juice. So here we go. Let's put that juice in there. We're gonna get that nice and melted because we're gonna be adding some pork to it. So, yeah, that's a little too much. Who am I kidding? Nah, that's a little too much. We'll just take with those two little smaller teaspoons, okay? Let's just go from there. Let's just do it there. We're good, okay? Let's not make a big deal about this. Let's not have a freaking meltdown, okay? Oh yeah, so we're gonna get that bacon juice. Now, the really good thing about this kind of bacon juice, when you save it, I don't know if you've ever made popcorn with bacon juice, but I feel like you're missing a great opportunity if you haven't done that. All right, let's just get some of the biggest pieces. I want the ones that weren't cooked as great. We're just gonna put them in here and heat them back up. Now, I know what some of you might be asking. Well, Sean, why don't you just throw them in the microwave? Heat them up that way. I don't know. I don't know where that came from. Guess what I'm gonna do with this? Oh, yep, I got me some good marks on there, guys. I'm not even mad about it. Look, that's why we use cutting boards, okay? Cutting boards are not meant to be taken care of. And then, ooh, it's so pretty. I'm just gonna put it on my little counter because I don't want to get it messed up. Just take a long walk that way. We don't do that. Cutting boards are made for cutting, okay? Except my mom's cutting board. Hers is slightly different. Okay, let's see, let's grab a little. That's all I need right there. Just a tiny little spat you freaking love, right? I feel like that would just be a waste. I'm the only one eating tonight, who cares? Yes, I'm gonna cook with that. Okay, now I don't wanna overcook this. We're just trying to heat it up and get a little bit of a sear on either side, okay? Now what we're gonna do is once I do this, I'm gonna flip it once. Just flip it all over. We're gonna let that cook off just a little bit. Now I'm gonna take this and we're just gonna pile all of this delicious pork over here. Okay, so we get some more of that, get some of that juice flowing down here. Now we're gonna take a little bit of extra juice that we didn't use before. Remember I was saying, no, we're not gonna use it. And now let's get our 2 best eggs out of here. Oh, this one looks really big and good, what she said. That's good. A couple really nice eggs there. Okay, here we go. Oh man. Farm fresh eggs, baby. Oh, they just look better. They look tastier. Isn't that great? That's what we're gonna do right there. All right, there we go. Can you feel it? It's a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm not gonna do much more to this. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Here we go. Just a little bit. Not a whole lot, ladies and gentlemen. But watch what I am gonna do. Arpin, you ought to appreciate this, buddy. Which, by the way, like I said, these cutting boards are on sale right now. Just send me a message on YouTube here, and I will get you connected with the manufacturer, and we'll start doing deals, okay? We'll start doing some giveaways and some fun shite. Oop, got a little bit of, look at that. Got just a little bit of that there and there. You know what? It doesn't, I don't mind it. Oh my God, guys. Okay, here we go. Because you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna eat right on this cutting board. Why the hell not, right? There we go. Oh, guys, I gotta tell you, if you could just, there's something about like these farm fresh eggs. I'm gonna kill the heat real quick, but these farm fresh eggs, man, they just have a, it's like the whites are better. They're thicker. The yellows are very sturdy and very rich looking. So we're just gonna flip this right quick. There we go. I mean, look at that. There just seems to, oh. Guys, I'm not even mad about this right now. Little dirty, little icky, but that's okay. Oh, guys. I mean, I can already tell you right now that the sheer magnitude of awesomeness that are these eggs is incredible. A little bit of pork. Put that on my fork. Dip it in that egg yolk. Okay, that is insane. Those eggs are freaking fantastic. We're just gonna try one just with the egg. Ready? Oh man. Oh wow. Oh man. It is so tasty. I could literally go for 2 more, but I'm not going to. Down that delicious pork. Let's get another good big old bite of pork. Look at that. That's a really good bite right there, guys. Primo. Oh man. The seasoning from the pork gets sort of reactivated, if you will. Arpin, hope you know I'm using this awesome little cutting board you made me. Here. It's the first official episode of the, I don't even know what we're going to call them. We need to call them like the Arpin specials or the Arpin cutting boards or the, I don't know what you're going to call them. But ladies and gentlemen, help me think of a name to call these awesome cutting boards. This specific one, we're going to burn in the logo, the new Cooking Kentucky logo that's coming soon. It'll be for sale. Don't have a price point yet, but as soon as we figure out the price point, I promise you'll be the first to know. This is lots of protein, so I know some people might sit and think it's like, Sean, what about your vegetables? What about you mind your own business? Pigs and chickens both eat green vegetables. Therefore, what's that? Exacto, Frecto, or Frecto, Provo, whatever the hell it's called. Therefore, I am eating vegetables too. I mean, are not chickens and pigs fed like corn and grains? Sounds vegetable to me. Oh no! All right, I'm gonna share with Stella. She heard her name. All right. Gotta be honest with you, I'm a little full. Oh man. Again, guys, if you like the cutting board, please send a message over to the YouTube channel right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, please share. I'm going to be having some really great adventures coming up very soon. I'm hopefully going to get out there in the wood line, do a little bit more. The weather's getting nicer. We're going to have a little bit more fun this year. Doing some cooking. We are expecting to do a camping trip coming up very shortly. I'm expecting probably before May or so. We'll get out there in the woods. We'll do some more cooking. I'll feature the cutting board some more. I'll also feature some of my favorite cooking tools. Hopefully, like I said, I'm hoping to really get an RV soon, but hey, what are you gonna do? I hope you enjoyed this little episode of something we can just put together after with some leftovers and stuff like that. Always trust a guy with my physique when it comes to cooking. I promise you won't be disappointed. All right, until next time, don't go anywhere, don't do anything, and just like subscribe and tell me I'm good enough. And I'm smart enough. And doggone it, people like me. It's a shit. All right, guys. See ya. Stella! Stella, let's go outside. Come on, let's go outside. Yeah, that's right. Come on. Done. Go on. Go. We're done here.